I'm going to be using the minion method today, but these are going hot and fast. We're going to be somewhere between 275 and 300. So instead of 4 or 5 lit charcoals, I'm going to be adding more like 10 or 12, 10 to 15 lit charcoals to the top of my unlit pile of coals. That's going to give me a much hotter temperature, but it's also going to ensure that I keep that temperature for a longer amount of time versus just pouring a whole pile of hot coals in there, which would start to lose temperature at about 30, 45 All right, that's all we need to do for now. We'll check back with you in about an hour. Just noticed my grill is running a little hot, 345. Remember I said I wanted to be somewhere between 275 and 300. Now 345 is not bad, it's still gonna be just fine. So really the only reason for trying to stay right between 275 and 300 when you're smoking is to be hot enough to get the skin crispy, but low enough so that your meat stays on the grill longer before it's done. That gives you more time for smoking. But this right here ain't bad either. The only concern I would have is that it would be burning towards, it would be kind of getting too dark on the front end where it's closer to the fire. So we're gonna check that right quick. You see my wings are getting a little brown. I thought I had those babies tucked under. So we're just gonna move these back just a little bit. And then I'm gonna close this lid down to about a quarter. All right, back out here for a final checkup. Look at my numbers here, man. My internal temperature on my meat is at 175, so it's technically done. The bottom number is my internal temperature on the grill. You can see I never got it back down, but we still should be fine, man. What I'm gonna go do now is glaze it with some barbecue sauce, and I'm basically gonna choke down the bottom vent a little bit more, just so I don't dry the thing out while I'm waiting for the barbecue sauce to set up. one leg fell off, so I may as well sacrifice that one for the taste test. Here we go. Man, that's so good. That's so good. That seasoning topped with this barbecue sauce is off the chain. This is so good. I don't know why I don't do Cornish hens more often, man. It's right on the grill. Later.